I need to wear a neck strap, not a scarf for that. Hi, good morning. Well, I say good morning, you could be watching this at any time of the day, but welcome to today's vlog. Thank you very much for being with us today. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed already, because just this morning, in fact, literally 5 minutes ago, we just crossed the 8,000 subscriber count, which is absolutely incredible. I want to go a lot further than that, but I'm absolutely so grateful to every single one of you who has subscribed to this channel. If you're not doing it, please do hit that subscription button. I'm just heading out. I'm having a meeting with an illustrator who is going to be, well, looking at designs and looking at scenery. She's going to come on board as the designer for my new practice strategy book, which I've spoken to you about before. If you want to skip straight ahead to the Yanagisawa unboxing and review, it is here. But if you want to stick around for just literally a minute as we talk about the strategy book, you're very welcome to, but welcome to the vlog anyway. But it literally will.
Interesting. So it was this page, this page.
Hi, so welcome along to the Yanagisawa W10 review. As you've seen the unboxing, this is the case. The cases have been upgraded as they were on all the Yanagisawa saxophones. These are now backpack cases for the Soprano. You have two straps there, which two shoulder straps is very, very important, I feel, for saxophone cases. Slinging them over one shoulder has caused all sorts of problems in the 25 years I've been playing tenor saxophone, well, longer, 30 years now, I've been playing tenor saxophone. And if you can get it on a backpack, it's always a good idea. They come in this nice little pouch for music or accessories and things like that. This one didn't come with a mouthpiece for me to review. It doesn't matter, it will come with a mouthpiece when you buy one. This is because it's a Revue saxophone. So overall, really like the case upgrade, Yanagisawa. I've mentioned this on the alto review up here. I'm still struggling with a cold. But yeah, really, really good stuff. Always start with the case review. And that is there. It comes with a straight and a curved neck. I always use the curved neck, it's what I'm used to. I've been playing Yanagisawa Soprano saxophones for over 22 years now. I currently play it on the S992. That for me is the best soprano saxophone on the market. This W10 replaces the S991, which is the soprano I previously owned. So I've got a little bit of comparison, but I haven't owned that for about 4 or 5 years. So I've been on the 992 for that long. So what's new on the W10 series? So there's a new design for the right pinky key. That's for your low C, your low E flat. It certainly is more ergonomically pleasing. I haven't played this yet at all. This is the first time I've got it out of its case. The palm keys on the left hand side have come further out. I do like that. That is a very important feature. They are better designed. They're certainly in a slightly better position. They sit further up, nearer the hand. I've never been a fan of using pad risers on soprano. Never really needed to with a Yanagisawa, but these just feel in an even better position. There's new engraving on the bell. That really doesn't make a scrap of difference to me, to be brutally honest. It does it well. It just, as usual with Yanagisawa, it looks well engineered. It feels a little lighter. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just my imagination. The most important thing is how does it sound. So let's give it a quick playing review. The biggest compliment I can pay to this Yanagisawa Wo10 is how easy it is to play. It really, really is. It's one of the easiest saxophones I've ever played, ever, and Yanagisawa make incredible sopranos. I've said that at the start of the video. Pinky keys I've barely noticed, but that's a good thing. What I did like was the fact that this kind of in the mother of pearls, they're kind of shaped so that your fingers just feel completely at home there. I didn't go all the way up to top G on that review I was just doing, but I need to wear a neck strap, not a scarf for that. Oh, slipped. So easy to play. Ergonomically very, very pleasing. All I can really say is just well done, Yanagisawa, again, for making such an incredible. As I say, I played a 991 for a long time, and then I upgraded to a 992, which I will play against the W020 in the next vlog, so make sure you are subscribing. But this is just an incredible piece of kit. It's so well engineered, so easy to play, as I said. Well done, Yanagisawa. I think I'll give it 5 stars. I think it's that good. I really want to just keep playing it. So I'll see you in a bit. I need to do some more playing. Oh, some more things to review for you coming up. So, as I say a lot of the time, make sure you're subscribing. I think this is some kind of new harness that someone sent me from Germany. Looking forward, I'll do an unboxing and review of that all the time. Let's do an incredibly quick Q&A just to go through a few things because it's a long time since we've done a very quick one. So Phil Azanti asked me what's the name of the background track at the beginning. This is in the vlog on customized saxophone cases. Most of the music, well, all the music you hear has been either recorded or created by myself. Obviously that means it's either on one of my albums or I've knocked it up in Logic. It's just kind of some nice library music to put in. I did consider going on one of these kind of YouTube things where you can spend, you know, you can pay £10 a month and give access to a massive library of music, and I think that's a great idea. But I kind of thought, as a musician on YouTube, really, I ought to be giving you my music, or at least the music I've recorded, for you to hear, rather than just going to a library. I think it's a bit naff as a musician not to be doing that. RK702 said, did Sios let you keep the mouthpieces? Yes, they have, and I'm still on my tenor. And there's some exciting news coming about Sios in a few weeks. Loads and loads of comments on the mouthpiece shootout. Like I said, it was It was a shootout. It wasn't a direct comparison. It was one against the other, going through, a bit like we have the FA Cup in this country. Sometimes one mouthpiece might not be playing well that day, or it might not compare against the other one. It was a shootout. It was a bit of fun. If you want to go into more comprehensive stuff, I think what you need to do is you need to get those mouthpieces and find what works for you. But I am incredibly impressed with that Sios, and I am amazed at how much it absolutely waxed some very established, very high-priced mouthpieces. Paul Richmond says, are Sios going to offer a DF model soon? I am delighted to say that if you ask Sios to make a mouthpiece just like mine, they will do it for you. I've agreed that with Pauline and the guys at Sios, so all you have to do is go over to Sios and do that. Continentalist said, great to see man alto. What are the prices of Mark 6 altos in the moment in the UK, especially the 5-digit ones? Those ones were at 7,000. I think they're a bit expensive. There are other altos in other shops that are kind of, I think basically if you're looking at a 5-digit Mark 6 in good condition with original case in the UK, you're going to be paying between £5,000 and £7,000. And Darth Vader, I'm afraid to say that Mouthpiece C was the Sios. Sorry Darth, the Force was not with you. You were wrong. The Mouthpiece C was the D'Addario. It was great fun doing that mouthpiece review, but I hope you found that useful, but I hope particularly you found that Soprano, that Yanagisawa Soprano review useful. I will do the W020 and it will definitely be out with you before the weekend, because fortunately I've got to send these Sopranos back to Yanagisawa because they are extremely popular, as Yanagisawa Sopranos are, so I feel very fortunate to have these Sopranos on me, and I'm really looking forward to playtesting the one that is the follow-up to my own Soprano. So thank you very much for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to check out my last vlog here. This is what I was up to this time last year. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I will see you Thursday. I'll try and make a vlog on Thursday, even if it's a very short one. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.